हाय गुड इवनिंग। आज का जो वीडियोटा आज का जो टॉपिक है, आज का जो टुडेज वीडियो इज़ बेसिकली फॉर द प्रोफेशनल्स दोज आर वर्किंग इन हार्डकोर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जनरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, facility management professionals, as well as infrastructure development and projects related professionals. Due to this pandemic situation, a lot of people have lost their job, mainly in these departments. The people's and the other employees of the IT ITS organizations, those who are handling software development, even also business development in software related companies. People those who are handling client relationship, concept selling, so they can easily survive, and they are surviving because for them work from home they can be done, it can be managed. But people those are into finance, mainly into finance, administration, as I said, facilities, infrastructure means developing new offices, identifying new premises, complete the legal due diligence of the premises, then issuing the work order to the vendors who will do the turnkey projects for them, for the organization rather. So in this particular department has severely affected by this pandemic situation because the businesses, offices are closed, people are working from home, hardly there is any revenues going on, so there is a revenue loss also, you can say. So I understand, okay, for the time being it's situation all of us, we are handling the situation, we are tackling the situation so that we should come out from the situation. But right now it's a time that we should open up the offices because these people, they are really suffering a lot. They are running a financial burden. They have their families, they have their children, kids, parents, সবার নিজেদের ফ্যামিলি আছে, তাদের ছেলে মেয়েদের পড়াশোনা আছে, বয়স্ক যারা মা বাবা থাকেন তাদের ওষুধপত্র খরচা সবই জানে। যেভাবে দিনকে দিন the way the prices are getting increased for this diesel and petrol. So cost of living has really increased a lot. The overhead costing is the main thing. Kitchen expenses rather, which is really badly affected for this pandemic situation, and for the cost rising also. So without salary, without job, how those people will survive? You have to understand that. And it's a chain work. আজকে আপনার অফিস আপনি বন্ধ রাখছেন, ঠিক আছে, আপনি ওয়ার্ক ফ্রম হোম করছেন, ফাইন, আই হ্যাভ নো প্রবলেম, বাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দি সাপোর্ট সার্ভিসেস দোজ আর অলসো এনগেজ উইথ ইউ। আমি আজকে অফিসে যাচ্ছি, গাড়ি নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে, আপনি বাসে যাচ্ছেন, অটোতে যাচ্ছেন, এই যে কমিউনিকেশন যেই শুরু হলো, বাস চলছে, ড্রাইভার, তার জন্য ড্রাইভার দরকার লাগছে, কন্ডাক্টর দরকার লাগছে, তাদের স্যালারিগুলো হবে, পেট্রোল ডিজেল যেরকম তো চলবে মানে কেনা তো হবেই, তো খুব স্বাভাবিক ব্যাপার। এবার আমি গাড়ি নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে, আমি গাড়ি নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, ডিজেল পেট্রোল নিচ্ছি। এবার আমি যখন অফিসে ঢুকছি বা আমার যখন অফিসে ঢুকছি, তার গেট থেকে আরম্ভ করে সিকিউরিটি, তারপর রিসেপশন থেকে আরম্ভ করে হয়ে গেল হাউসকিপিং, ইনসাইড অফিসে অলসো হয়ে গেল হাউসকিপিং, তার মেনটেন্যান্সের স্টাফ, সাপোর্ট সার্ভিস যে ফাংশনসগুলো বলি আমরা, হাউসকিপিং স্টাফ, সিকিউরিটি স্টাফ, মেনটেন্যান্স স্টাফ, আপনার এসি চলছে, এসিতে ঠিকঠাক দেখে রাখার জন্য মেনটেন্যান্স স্টাফ দরকার, আপনার বিল্ডিংয়ের ফায়ার সব সিস্টেম ঠিকঠাক আছে কিনা সেটা দেখার জন্য মেনটেন্যান্স স্টাফ দরকার। এই যে সাপোর্ট ফাংশন স্টাফগুলো, প্লাস যেসব জায়গায় অফিসগুলো আছে তার আশেপাশে যে দোকানগুলো আছে, they are also equally dependent on us. If we keep ourselves shut inside the room and we will do only work from home, then how the other support services people will survive? It's a chain reaction, chain work. So we should not give the leverage to break this chain. It's my humble request. Please do open the offices. Don't get panicked of these viruses. Please maintain, your own personal hygiene. Always wear a mask. Do your washing of your hands on frequent basis, whatever frequency you want to do. Keep sanitizer at handy with you. Even also the offices are having their sanitization as per their standard of practice, SOP and SLA, and as per the BCP is also concerned. So these are all part of the BCP. So please understand, people are suffering. They are without job. They are without their salary. It's a mayhem, complete mayhem. So it's my humble request. Please do share this video for the maximum reach out to the people and maximum reach out to the organization companies to understand. Please don't think of yourself, think of others also. Think of the entire professionals, those who are also engaged for you. Support function is required. You require security guard, you require housekeeping staff, you require receptionists, you require people to run your administrative activities, You require agencies to run your facility managements. You require offices. For that, you need professionals in infrastructure development, infrastructure projects. You need professionals. So give them their due respect. Please open up the offices. Start doing your businesses. Business will definitely pull up. Business will flourish. I really pray to God. It's definitely will flourish. Only the collective effort have to be shown from our end. We have to be sympathized. We have to understand the problem. We have to hold our hand properly to support each and every us. We have to support each and every individual in this universe. Each and every individual is equally important for us. We are doing work from home, somebody is doing work from home, it's okay. For the timing, that was okay. Now it's time. Please open up the offices. Let the people come into office properly. Let the business flow. Let the people get their salaries. Let the jobs get created. And the affected departments, as I said, administration, facilities, infrastructure, should not be affected like they have been affected for the last 2 years, close to 2 years. So it's my honest request. It's my honest request from bottom of my heart. Please do support. Open up the offices, and please also do share this video to your maximum reach, so a proper awareness can be created. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.